Okay, so let's start. Open Google and type create Shopify account. Scroll down and click on Shopify website. Okay, this is the website. Here let's click on pricing plan. It offers 3 types of pricing plans. You can select either plan according to your business needs, but I would suggest you to start from basic plan, which is $19 per month. It comes with 2 staff accounts, so if you are admin or the business owner, you can create one account for yourself, one for the staff, and again you can upgrade it later. So let's start the free trial. Click on start free trial button. Yes, I'm just starting. Click on it or click next, and online store next. Here comes the store name, Groovy Fashion Store. Click next. Region is Pakistan. Next. Continue with Google. You can select the plan according to your situation. Okay, here we are going to enter the Gmail address. Click on next. Enter your password. Make sure to write the password somewhere else. Building your store. So it is easy, very easy to start. As you can see, it's loading. And ta-da! The Shopify store is created. Yes, it's the matter of few clicks only, as you can see. Okay, the store is empty since we have created just now. Setup guide, you can also take help from setup guide. Okay, the orders are 0. Eventually there will be hundreds or thousands of orders. So when we click on the store, it says something went wrong since we haven't installed any theme.